All right, so I've wondered for a while how the car will sound if we put one of these wireless microphones in the trunk of the car. So we are gonna try that. Both mics are on. Microphone is right there. So let's test it out. I feel like the trunk is gonna be a lot louder than just inside of the car because the inside has a lot of noise dampening. So yeah, let's hop on the highway. What do you think? Yes.
I'm gonna have to talk all the way up.
Oh yeah.
I hope it sounds cool. That's my hope.
Yep.
I'm sure it will.
Yeah.
Watch us not get
Yeah. 4,000 RPMs. And Bald Eagles! Shift down to third. I don't know if I'm going to be able to get down to second. All right. Let's check and see if the microphone made it. There it is. It's on there pretty good though. Here we go, another one of my favorite things, a tunnel.
freaking cold.
Where do you think you're going, miss? I'm gonna have to see some license identification.
CD, filling up the windows.
Morgan, what? Probably should have positioned the car a little bit better so we're not facing one of those mini mobile. All right, let's see how this goes. Wow, look at you. You do know how to drive.
Invasive maneuvers?
Evasive maneuvers?
I don't know, I can't talk. Outside.
Do the wiggly thing I told you. You're neutral now. Now take your foot off the clutch.
Am I a cool kid?
Yeah, you are.
Am I a cool kid now?
Take your foot off the clutch. Because you did the wiggle, clutch. Take your foot off the clutch.
Take my foot off the brake.
I know, I saw that. Foot off the clutch.
Why?
Feel it, do the wiggle thing.
I don't want to.
Do the wiggle thing, take your foot off the clutch. That's
Can
your,
I have my
yes.
foot on the brake?
Yeah, that's fine. Practice trusting. If this wiggles, you can take your foot off the clutch.
How do you do the blip thing? Never mind, I don't want to know.
Okay. I'll teach you how to do a burnout.
No, thank you.
Good job.
This lady would be so mad. Is there no exit? Oh, fuck me. Oh, fuck me. Oh, fuck me. Oh, I thought there was an exit.
Oh no, what are we gonna do here?
I can't back up yet. Bernard,
All
can
right.
you get out and do
Clutch
it?
in, or you're gonna go straight into that. Please put it in neutral. All right. Pull up on this.
I don't want to do.
No, it's
the
the same as.
I have the same thing that happens on the bike too. I get like very, very, very basic stuff down, and then I have too much confidence, and I think that I can do more than what I can, and then.
I wonder what's down there. You ready?
Oh God! Let me put my head back. Oh my God!
That's the Grim Reaper.
The Grim Reaper.
All right.
Bad boys.
What you gonna do?
It's a girl. Ah! I don't know what tint you're talking about. Oh, ouch! My seat got hooked. Sir, you hit the
The Rim Reaper? Oh, that's really bad.
What is the Rim Reaper?
Oh, the Rim
Sorry,
Reaper.
we're in our own world. Tunnel.
Do I need a shift? Do I need a shift? Do I need a shift?
Yes. No. Yeah. I don't know.
Ah, Look at the Eco Bitch. I mean, not Eco Bitch. The Mach Slow. All right, let me show you guys something that might be a little bit louder than the Mustang. Morgan's gonna be the camera woman.
You know, Bernard goes out in 20-degree weather. Well, it's not 20 degrees. It's like 30 something.
Stay.
In a t-shirt, and I still think it's freezing when it's 60 degrees outside. So.
Yep. If you look at that, this might take a quick minute. How the heck? This thing's freaking heavy. It says 3 ton. I think it actually weighs 3 tons.
It does not weigh 3 tons.
It feels like it does. That's.
Where your hose at?
Huh?
Where your hose at?
Right here and right there.
Okay.
I hope mice didn't get into it. That's my only concern. So it's this guy right here. It's definitely louder than the Mustang.
Yes. We're gonna have.
Let's take this off. There she is. Ah, it's been a while. All right, let's get the chain off. And the DV killer is not in right now.
Are you gonna start it?
Yeah, I'm gonna pull it out though. There we go.
It smells so bad in there.
I know, it kind of smells like poop.
Yeah, I wonder why.
Oh my God.
That was intentional? That was supposed to happen?
Anywhere. There we go. All right. Yeah, let's just, right here should be good. Okay.
Why is there...
So stuff doesn't go in the exhaust.
Oh.
Okay. All right, so this is her. This is my 2021 Yamaha MT09. Little plug, hold that. It has the MIV Italian exhaust system, and it has no DB killer in it, so it should be pretty loud. Hoping it starts. Well, it turns on, like, fires right up, all right. I forgot how loud it is. Do you hear that sound? We are inside, and we can still hear the bike.
Wait, I just took a sip of my coffee. You can probably hear me gulp.
That's all right, it'll be funny.
Oh, sorry, Maple.
Yeah, I don't think our neighbors like us very much with how loud the bike and the car is, but...
We need to live somewhere with land.
Yeah, facts.
Maple's like, what the hell is that thing?
Huh?
Maple's like, what the hell is that?
I know. All right, you want to give it a little rip?
Yes!
Just go, I don't know, go like 5 or 7.
It smells bad.
All right, let me do a little rip. All right, you ready? Oh, am I gonna make the turn? I do a little pull right here?
No.
I'm not gonna go fast.
Watch him hit my car.
Watch me scratch the car.
Scratch my car, not yours.
All right, goodbye. My eyes, no. I am actually crying right now. Whew.
I got your hat flying off.
Oh, that was fun. All right, let me go get my hat.
Okay.
The run of shame. All right, thank you, camera woman.
You're welcome. I'll be here
I
all
will
day.
retire you.
You are now my elite employee.
What is that from?
That's a TikTok.
Oh.
You know that like woman who goes around, she's like, you have now been promoted to my newest elite employee. That's me with your camera.
Ah, okay.
It's all right. It's all right. I get to do all this cool stuff with you, so it's okay.
So what do you think?
You know, don't mind if I do. Yeah, I think I'd freeze my ass off.
Yeah. It was actually kind of nice in a t-shirt.
I'd put on the goose to go.
Okay.
If you told me we were gonna take a little spin, I'd put on some jeans.
Okay.
Is that my cue to put on jeans?
Alright, so I took off the microphone, so it probably sounds like shit audio, but we have our heads on. We're gonna go for a quick rip. Quick rip.
Where's your mirrors? Give me your mirrors.
I don't know this one. I do have the GoPro, so you guys can get a GoPro angle of the bike. It's so bright out. Let's go. There we go. Oh my god. Alright. I can't believe they're charged. Yeah, we're gonna take it nice and slow. Right. Because it really needs an oil change, so I don't want to go too crazy. Short sleeve shirt and it's how cold. The GoPro probably can't hear me. Let's go this way. Yeah, it's probably like 35, 40 degrees outside. It's not that bad. I don't have to much. It's so cold. It's a little nippy outside, but we're having a good time. And now let me show you the magical move. Ta-da!